Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 64GB kit with two 32GB sticks running at a speedy 6000 MHz. This memory is designed for the latest Intel and AMD platforms, boasting compatibility with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo for effortless overclocking. First impressions are striking. The T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 features a sleek black design with vibrant RGB lighting that spans a full 120 degrees. The lighting is not just for show. It's powered by a smart RGB IC controller, allowing for extensive customization through various lighting effect software. Users can sync the lighting with other components for a cohesive and visually stunning build. Beyond aesthetics, performance is where this RAM truly shines. Operating at 6000 MHz with CL38 timings, it delivers a noticeable boost in responsiveness and overall system speed. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or running demanding applications, this RAM handles it all with ease. The support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo makes overclocking a breeze, even for those new to tweaking their system. A simple setting in the BIOS, and you can unlock even more performance. TEAMGROUP has also focused on stability and reliability. The inclusion of on-die ECC ensures data integrity and system stability, while the high-quality ICs selected for this kit promise long-term reliability. The strengthened PMIC cooling design is another thoughtful addition, ensuring efficient power usage and preventing overheating, even under heavy loads. The power management ICs, PMICs, are a key feature of DDR5, and TEAMGROUP has implemented them effectively in the T-Force Delta RGB. This results in more efficient power delivery and better overall performance compared to older DDR generations. In summary, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 RAM is a top-tier memory kit that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional performance and reliability. If you're looking to upgrade to DDR5 and want the best possible experience, this kit is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands the best from their system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.